bore da, croeso I sesiwn 1, 5 mewn 5. Welcome to session 1 of 5 in 5. Where you can practice your Cymraeg. So the first thing is when you're welcoming students to your classroom or visitors to the college, you can say bore da. Bore da is good morning, and you can say bore da bawb, good morning everyone, if you're talking to a group. So bore da, good morning. Next, when it's after lunch, you would say good afternoon, prynhawn da. Prynhawn da, and again you can add bawb, prynhawn da bawb, good afternoon everyone. Something a bit more informal then, maybe to the student, you could say, how's it going? Shwmai. Shwmai. Then you can add heddiw, today. Shwmai heddiw. How's it going today? Shwmai heddiw. How's it going this morning? Shwmai bore ma. Shwmai bore ma. So you know heddiw and bore ma probably after bore da. And this afternoon, shwmai prynhawn ma. Prynhawn ma. How's it going today? Shwmai heddiw. How's it going this morning? Shwmai bore ma. How is it going this afternoon? Shwmai prynhawn ma. Nice and easy, something you can put in your sessions and when you're greeting people. How's it going everyone? Shwmai pawb or shwmai bawb. Okay, the next one, if you are telling people to come in to your classroom. If you are speaking to one student, and it's very informal, the dere mewn. Dere mewn. And then if you are speaking to a visitor, someone you don't know very well, who you've just met, or to a group, you would say dewch I mewn. Dewch I mewn. Dere mewn. Dewch I mewn. Another way of greeting someone is asking them, how are you? And again, if you are speaking to one person, and it's very informal, so when you're speaking to a student, you use the T form, which is sit wyt ti. Sit wyt ti. And slightly different, if you are speaking to a visitor or a group, you'd say sit dych chi. Sit dych chi. Sit wyt ti heddiw. Sit wyt ti y bore ma. Sit wyt ti prynhawn ma. Following on from the other slide, you just add on the same words. Sit wyt ti heddiw. How are you today? Sit wyt ti bore ma. How are you this morning? Sit wyt ti prynhawn ma. How are you this afternoon? So it's the same phrases, same words, but you can mix them up like a jigsaw. Sit chi heddiw, and then more formal, speaking to a visitor, someone you've just met, or to a group of students. Sit chi heddiw. Sit chi bore ma. Sit chi prynhawn ma. Sit chi heddiw. Sit chi bore ma. Sit chi prynhawn ma. So it's sit wyt ti to one person. Sit chi, more than one. Okay, so now it's your turn. How much do you remember? This is the sefyllfa. Mae'r sefyllfa, the situation. Croesawu eich dosbarth neu croesawu ymwelwyr i'r coleg. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. How's it going today? How are you? How are you this morning? How are you this afternoon? Come in. Come in. And how well did you do? Let's have a look. Da iawn. Good morning, everyone. Bore da bawb. Good afternoon. Prynhawn da. How's it going today? Shwmai heddiw. How are you? Sut chi? If you're talking to a group or a visitor. How are you this morning? Sut chi y bore yma? How are you this afternoon? Sut chi prynhawn yma? Come in. Ewch chi mewn. Or ire mewn. I've only used the formal with 4, 5, 6 and 7, but you can change it to how are you, sut wyt ti? How are you this morning? Sut wyt ti y bore yma? How are you this afternoon? Sut wyt ti prynhawn yma? A come in, dere mewn. And that then is the end of session 1. So it'll help you to just a bit of salt and pepper into your daily life in college, just a bit of Cymraeg, and then next time we'll be doing how to say hwyl, goodbye. So am nawr, hwyl fawr.